Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Fragrant Jewels. This is a package of their Not So Perfect bath bombs. If you're not familiar with that, they're available only if you call customer service. I'll try to leave the number below if you're interested, but you do have to call and order them. They cannot be ordered online. They are bath bombs that are imperfect. So there might be damage, or maybe the coloring wasn't right and they didn't think it was acceptable to sell them. So you get them at a discounted price. So I think I ordered 5 or 6. I ordered whatever amount gets you free shipping. And in the past, when I first ordered them, had really good luck. Great variety. Then they started putting, I think the last box I had all Wicked bath bombs, which I was kind of disappointed in. So I decided I wasn't going to order them for a while. Then I saw on their Inner Circle page that a bunch of people were getting a good variety. So I felt like enough time passed and people probably complained that they did something different. And they also had the mystery bundles recently, and people were getting good variety in there. So I called about their referral program because apparently my link wasn't working, and they said it was no longer, I don't know. They said they're not doing that anymore, but yet it's still on their website. So I called about that, and while I was on there, I was like, hey, let's order a box and see what I got. So that's what this is. And I see they threw in at least one code, a couple codes, but sadly, so these are going to be worth 10 points each. Sadly, ooh, another one. I think they're all the same. Not So Perfect. Are these the snow ones, I think? It used to actually say which bath bomb and the size on there. This could be a 6. There's a 6 there. Not sure if that's what that's indicating. But it doesn't have the name on them anymore. So that is a bummer. It doesn't look like they gave me a variety. I don't understand why they do that, because clearly they have an abundance of different ones that aren't perfect, so I don't know why. So that's a dud. Okay, so I got 6 total. Ooh, maybe not. There's a bunch of codes in here. So I also saw someone say that some of the mystery bundles came with extra codes, silver codes, and someone actually won a $100 ring from one of the silver codes. So it looks like they gave me 6. And let me see, are these, yeah, they're actually winter ones. Huh. Okay, so I'm gonna go enter those, see if I won anything, and I'll be right back. Unfortunately, no winners. I have yet to win anything, though I see people winning all the time, but that's okay. Not a total loss that these are all duplicates. I like that they threw in codes. That makes me happy. I will add these to my little bath bomb stash, and we'll do bath art with them since I've already done demos on the snow bath bombs and all that fun stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.